Have your iPivo document camera hooked up to your computer with your USB. Now it's time to use it. So go to Staff Applications and find the iPivo document camera icon, double click. And with a little bit of auto focusing, it's ready to use. Right now you're looking at my desk. You can fit to screen. You can also change the mode if you want it to be larger. So you see the difference, and then those tools that you once saw are now here. I'm going to go to the default mode. Okay, so there's some tools that you can use that going to go over pretty quickly. This is just information about your camera. This is your zoom. Gets pretty close. That can come in handy. You have your rotation. You can also mirror vertically and horizontally. There's the resolution. The default is 1920 by 1080. You can change it if you want. Your exposure, if you're taking snapshots, you can change that. You have your white balance, depending on where you are and where the light situation is. Your focus. Your focus, manual focus can be set if you would like that as an option. And then you have video filters. They're kind of crazy. And then the default is normal. There's also tools down at the bottom. Again, you have your focus, showing the grid lines on your camera. This is a tracker or a masker. I actually like this if you're reading with a group. If you have this on, you can track what you're reading. It's kind of a cool little tool. You do have picture-in-picture. And then this is your freeze. So if I wanted to freeze this while I was doing something else and the kids could still look at it, you have that option. There's also some options here. The default is that you are taking a snapshot, but you can also record live video. You can also do a live broadcast on YouTube if you would like. But there's lots of different options here that you can play with should you need those. The other thing I like is the annotate. So if I wanted kids to find the copyright date, I could circle it so that they know what to look for finding copyright. You have an eraser too. If you turn off the annotate, it disappears. But if you were to turn it back on, it does come back. And that's it. Pretty easy. Have fun.